that I will share with you. It's a dream that I keep my eyes open and dream about. As I said, it's a dream. I don't want to call it a job. However, the jobs that interest me the most are astronomy, aerospace engineering, and astrophysics. I hope you all realize these things have to do with space. I love space. Space is amazing. Space has so many things in it. Planets, stars, nebulas, black holes. Space is the best thing in the whole universe because it is the universe. The people who influence space the most, in my opinion, are Galileo and Copernicus. Galileo is the person who invented the optical telescope, and with his invention, he discovered the 4 biggest moons of Jupiter, now known as the Galilean moons. Copernicus is the brave man who went against the church's idea of the Earth being at the center of the solar system. Instead, he devised the heliocentric model, placing the sun rather than the Earth at the center. My goal is to be like one of them, to change how people think of the astronomical world. Astronomy is really cool. Astronomers use telescopes on the ground and in space to search or research about objects in space, like planets, stars, and other things. Since space is so big, we usually specialize in a certain area. If I become an astronomer, I would love to specialize in nebulas and black holes. They're like the beauty of space. My favorite nebula is the Cat-Eye Nebula. The Cat-Eye Nebula looks like a rose with a few petals and 2 leaves. It's 3,262 light years away from Earth. But astronomers help in a way people don't think of. Astronomers help the society with science and technology. They provoke other scientists to achieve excellency in this field. As a result, we've invented the Hubble telescope, supercomputers, mobile phones, satellite communication, MRI scanners, solar panels, and many other things. My next interesting job is aerospace engineering. What made this world from so big to so small? The answer is spacecraft, aircraft, and satellite communication. All these things are an effort because of aerospace engineers. Aerospace engineers design aircrafts, spacecrafts, and solve electrical and mechanical problems. If I become an aerospace engineer, I would love to design my own spacecraft. But the question is, how do you become one? You have to be very good at math and science, have very good analytical skills, have very good reasoning. You have to have a professional engineering degree. And if I have all these things, I would love to work at NASA. That's where the best aerospace engineers work at. The next job that interests me is astrophysics. Astrophysicists study the principles of light, motion, and natural forces. To become one, you need a PhD in astrophysics or astronomy. One of the great Indian physicists, Subramanian has developed what we call the Chandrasekhar limit, which is important to astrophysicists who specialize in stars and black holes. Let me explain the Chandrasekhar limit. The Chandrasekhar limit is when he calculated the mass of when a star collapses on its own gravity and becomes a black hole. That mass is 1.5 times more massive than our sun. Most astrophysicists, they work as a professor and continue their research at universities, which I've always wanted to do. It's my dream, my future. As I said, the dream that I keep my eyes open and dream about. The dream that I want to pursue through the wonders of space. The dream,